Hello everybody, welcome. Hello Pina, nonna Pina. What do we got there? That looks kind of something weird. Well, what this is a cow's stomach, or tripe, better known as tripe. And we are gonna make this tripe. Can you turn it around? Can you turn it around, please, ma? Aggiralo. Look at the texture on this. Look at the texture on this. Okay, but it's delicious when you eat it. And we're gonna make it in a stew. And what's gonna be in that stew is some tomato sauce, some salt, some crushed chili peppers, some black pepper, some parsley, garlic, 4 or 5 cloves, along with 4 or 5 onions. Okay, we're gonna chop it all up and get going with this stew. Okay, so what are you doing? Cut it, Pina. How are you gonna cut it? Let's see what you gotta do here. You gotta cut this thing up into pieces. Okay, so you cut the thing in half, and now you're doing it in about, let's say, 2-inch pieces here. What is that, Mom?
Pepper.
Okay. So coat it with pepper, just a nice little coating of pepper. Alright, and now you're putting crushed chilies. Okay, this you would want to put to taste. If you want it hotter, you put more. You want it less hot, you put less. You don't want any, don't put any. Okay, go ahead, Ma. Some salt. Okay. Just a dash of salt there, as you can see. Stir it up. And now you're going to put water, right, Ma? Okay. So this is going to simmer for how long, Ma? How long is this going to go for, Ma?
Maybe 1 hour.
About an hour, okay. So you're putting about a cup of water or more?
More.
More than a cup of water, okay. So right now it's halfway full of liquid. Okay, so it's almost at the top of the water. So it looks like you put 2 cups of water. And you're going to stir that, you're going to cover it, and you're going to let it go for about an hour, right, Ma?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay. So it's been how long, Ma? Ma, how long has it been? About an hour, eh?
Yeah, 1 hour, eh?
And let's see how the texture is. Rumina. So how do you know it's ready, Ma? What happens? It's tender when you chew it. Is that what happens?
Yeah, this okay now.
Okay, because it's soft when you eat it.
Now.
Okay. And what do you eat this with, Ma?
Con bread.
Just with some bread. You dip some bread and you eat it like that.
So like a bread or just
Just what? Like that? Do you ever put potatoes inside too?
No, James.
You never put potatoes. Okay, well, really, really good job, Ma. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you.